Today, let's talk about DeepSeek R1, a massive AI model with 671 billion parameters. Now, that's way too big for most of us to run, so smaller, more accessible versions have been created, ranging from 1.5 billion to 70 billion parameters. Let's break down what you need to run these models efficiently. Starting with the 1.5B model, this one's super lightweight. All you need is a CPU no older than 10 years and at least 8 gigabytes of RAM. No fancy GPU required. You should be averaging 15 tokens per second. Next up, the 7B and 8B models. These are bigger and need a bit more power. While they can run on a CPU, it's slow, around 4 tokens per second. To speed things up, you'll want a GPU with at least 8 gigabytes of VRAM. For an Nvidia RTX 3060 with 12 gigabytes VRAM, the 7B model and 8B model averages 53 and 49 tokens per second, respectively. Now, for the 14B model, you'll want 16 gigabytes of VRAM to run it smoothly and averages 26 tokens per second. The 32B model is even more demanding, requiring 24 gigabytes of VRAM to run entirely on the GPU. It becomes extremely slow, dropping down to about 3.5 tokens per second. Finally, the 70B model needs a whopping 48 gigabytes of VRAM, and the full 671B model? That's in a league of its own, requiring around 480 gigabytes of VRAM. Basically, 20 RTX, 3090 or 10 RTX A6000. Yeah, it's that big! Here is a quick summary once more. If you're okay with slower speeds, you can run these on lower hardware, but for the best experience, stick to these recommendations. Let me know in the comments which model you're running and how it's performing for you.